Today I ended up with all of the 7 books of Harry Potter I've been reading since September. Also, after each book I watched a movie, and actually I have one last movie left. It'll be Christmas on Wednesday, but I don't really have any plans. I don't have any plans for the New Year's celebration either, actually. Sometimes I just feel like I just go through the days without any plans for future. I do have some plans for the next year, but sometimes it just hit me. You know, it's just another year when I actually feel like I want this year come to the end finally. I don't feel like much of holidays mood or something because I don't really have holidays now. I work on the Christmas Eve and Christmas Day and even on the 31st of December. And then I just have one day off. It would be the 1st of January and then all over again by the circle and the new year starts. Yes.
I can try if you let me. With our lives, I am bleeding. Who am I without stories that aren't mine? What I did to achieve you gave me air, thought I had to. I'm untrue, it's not pretty, the truth hurts. And you stayed on the ground while I was high. Yes, you've been here before, you closed the door. Now I don't know what to say, I expect you to leave. I deserve to be unheard, but I want you to see that you are the reason why I try. I don't know what you're thinking, but I know how you're feeling. I have crushed and burned someone before.
Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating. You can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating, you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. as everyone was standing idly by, trying not to watch or intervene as tears were streaming down her face, down her face. Try to let it go. Try to let it fall, to let it pass, to let it go. She held in her hand a ribbon of silk, so lightly that it would be caught in a breeze. She whispered words not meant to be heard.
그래요? 그럼 보호 안 하겠네. 그것도 소화가지고 하고 왔어. 근데 니랑 나랑 또 얘기가 달라. 자, 들어가 봐야 될 거 아니야.
Can you tell me where to start? I need someone to empty this heart. Any direction now would help. Let me give you a piece of advice, she said. Larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in. Under bridges and heavy rocks, we keep on dancing. Yes, we've traveled far, seen so many docks. But now I need to get some rest. Nevertheless, a caress. So let me give you a part of myself, she said. Larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in.
lost do we? Just stay true to what you believe in. To what you believe. Smarter ain't bolder and wiser ain't older.
I have to get ready for another working shift, and it's Sunday. Usually I have an off day on weekends, but as it's almost, how I should say that, a bookstore is usually quite crowded before the new year, so I'm tired. I like December for winter and holidays vibe, but this December was so disappointing actually. There was almost no snow at all, and I literally have no this holiday mood at all, as I said on the beginning of this video. But I had to work this month so much. Seriously, I don't care about anything anymore now. I guess that's all for this video. I'll see you in the 2025 next time. Happy New Year and happy holidays. Hope you have much more better mood than I. Bye.